Hey, I'm going to share with you some hopefully helpful tips and the ways that I use some of Young Living's supplements. So let's get started. First off, I am not a doctor. These are just my opinions and my experience. If you have any questions about any of these supplements or are not sure if you should be taking them, please see your doctor. I am not a doctor. That is my disclaimer. Okay, Comfortone is an amazing supplement from Young Living. We first heard about this from a friend of ours. My husband was having some serious stomach issues, bloating, all kinds of stuff. He started taking this, and it is a gentle gut cleanser. It helps eliminate residue from your colon. So he literally lost about between 5-6 pounds in the first week of taking this. He wasn't using it for a weight loss supplement. He was trying to get his gut in check, but that's what it did for him. Comfortone is a combination of herbs and essential oils, promotes normal digestion, which he was having issues with. Like I said, it's a gentle colon cleanse. You'll see on the bottle it says take 1 to 3 capsules a day. I would start out with 1 a day and then increase from there. I've taken 3 a day. It doesn't bother me. It does say right on the bottle that it contains this certain kind of bark. And if you have any experience with diarrhea or if it's you're sensitive to it, then to stop taking it. So that is what happened with my husband. He started getting elimination, not issues, but when he took it, it was a little too frequent. So he stopped taking it. But I've taken it with no problems. It says right on there, just in case you're sensitive to it, don't take it if you have those issues. It's a really great supplement. It's helped us out a lot. I will take it occasionally, like I'll take it for a week or 2 at a time just for a colon cleanse. So hopefully that was helpful. If you haven't tried Comfortone, you should check it out, research it, ask your doctor, all of those things, and hopefully it works for you too.